Welcome to React Hooks. I cannot wait to show you the amazing tricks that we can do with React Hooks to make our applications interactive. Applications aren't very fun if they're not interactive. So let's take a look at the repo and I'll get you all set up. Here's the repo, React Hooks, and we scroll on down and we clone the project. Once you have everything all up and running, then this is what you should see. We've got use state, use effect, lifting state, so some state management stuff that we're going to be learning about in here, and then some pretty good practice with tic-tac-toe. I want to mention here on the tic-tac-toe one, it is a little bit difficult, especially as you get into some of these extra credits. This last extra credit is actually quite challenging, so prepare yourself mentally and emotionally for this one. I've had quite a few people tell me it's a little bit of a challenge, but I think you can do it, and I think that you can be successful and at least learn the interesting things about this. So look forward to that one. That one's going to be kind of fun. But then we also have refs and use effect, and then we have use effect with HTTP requests. Now, I want to mention one other thing here. So we've got the DevTools if you wanted to play around with the HTTP requests, especially for where we start using error boundaries and stuff, where you want to see what happens when things fail, then this might be useful for you as you work through that. And then another interesting thing about this is we actually have a backend built into our project, but you're not running a server. We're actually intercepting the requests using a tool called MSW, and it's awesome. But this service actually does exist, and so if you don't want to use MSW, you want to hit the actual backend, then you can just really comment out everything inside of this array, and then you'll be hitting the actual backend for this. So if you wanted to try that, but the reason that we have this is so you can work completely and entirely offline, and we're not reliant on this service because we're not like paying anything for it. It's, they're nice to have it available for us, but we're just going to make sure that we don't wind up in any problems. But in any case, we are set to actually start making requests, which I think you're going to enjoy. So I'm looking forward to teaching you all about the basic React hooks upon which you can build like actual interactive, real React applications. Look forward to this. Have a good time with it, and we'll see you on the other side of the workshop.